This is stock number 96815, a 2006 GMC Sierra 2500 extended cab, SLE, four-wheel drive. Exterior color is black. Interior options, we got power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Got a power driver's seat. Light controls, four-wheel drive controls, stereo controls, and cruise control. Got a power tilt sunroof, garage door openers, AM/FM radio with CD player, dual zone electronic climate control. Upholstery is cloth, color is gray. Comes equipped with two running boards, 17-inch rims, fender flares, mud flaps, trailer tow package, and spray and box liner. Rear options, we've got a bench seat, cup holders at the feet. Seats fold up for extra cargo storage. Once again, this is stock number 96815, a 2006 GMC Sierra 2500 SLE extended cab, four-wheel drive. Exterior color is black.